Yo, what's up, team? Hope you all guys having a great time. Let me see if my camera stands here. Very good. All right, fine. That's cool. How you doing, guys? I hope you all guys excited. I already closed over 180,000 this morning on a Monday. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I'm recording my screen at the same time, making a little cool video for you. So to plan out our next trading week, the trading week that we have right now. Okay, so what we got, guys? We got Dow Jones. Dow Jones is crashing like crazy, guys. It's crashing. It's just falling down like crazy, and we all know why. Because everybody's going crazy about the virus and stuff, and nobody want to invest in the market. Like right now, the economy is going down, and it needs to come down because we had a long uptrend. So yeah, and we make some money off of it. It's cool. All right, let me see. First, let me check the weekly chart on the Dow Jones right now. And what we gonna do is give me the crosshair. The crosshair is cool. So for me, the target where I want to see the Dow Jones coming is the recent low at around 22,000. 22,000 is a target that's realistic where we can make some money off of it, the Dow Jones, if from the weekly perspective. And from the intraday perspective, that means let's go to the low time frames like daily chart, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute and stuff like that. We need to search for a good entry. Okay, we need to see some sellers closing their position so the market goes up, and then when we start seeing resistance, then we get in, and then we sell this thing with always with good risk management as well. So always keep your risk in mind, always know how much you're risking on these trades, and then we manage the positions to the downside because I think the Dow Jones got a lot of downward potential. It starts really good on the Monday, but right now I want to be patient because Mondays sometimes you have like these fake out moves, and you all guys know what I'm talking about. And we had a great big gap, and maybe the banks will come step in, push the market through the gap, and then we have to arrange it. But if we trade it on the 5 minute chart and we have time to check the chart, we can do this magic tricks you learn inside of the course to make money on the smaller time frames, like flip the accounts as quick as possible, flip the accounts as quick as possible. And yeah, let me check DAX, what we got in DAX right now. DAX is moving sideways. We had a big gap when it opened, but it's moving sideways right now. So I have closed my position on DAX. Oh wait, I think I still got one online. Online. I'm still in with 50 lot or something like this. Let me check. I think, yeah, 50 lot or something like this is still running. But I've closed out Dow Jones completely. I'm good with the profit. It was a great trade. And I know I can get a good entry for some more downward movement. So bank some profits on the way. Why not? We had a nice move, you know. And always, guys, stay healthy. Eat these brain berries. It will make you genius. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, what we got here on a 1 hour time frame? Yeah, it's just going down, guys. What else can I say? It's easy peasy. What else we got? We got gold. Gold is interesting. Gold is interesting for intraday trades because it's very volatile. I don't wanna have a long-term position on gold. Hannes, I'm shooting a video right now. Please relax, bro. Gold right now, as you can see on the smaller time from the 50-minute chart, it's moving sideways. New York session is already running for 2 hours now. Sellers and buyers having a battle, and nobody is about to win right now. But we have a support level over here. Like this is for me, this is a support level. If it's smashed through that level, maybe we can make some money to the downside, just a little bit. Or if it really tries to come back to this level and try to break it, then we have some more potential to the upside. And what we can do right now, if we are crazy, we can start scaling in with low risk. So we split our position, start with low risk, catch this good entry that we have right now, because I see some rejection at the level. Just get in with a smaller risk, and then on the way up we scale in. If we see it's really moving in our direction, then we start loading it up, and then we make the money. You know, I'll let the market move, react to it. It's a fucking game, guys. It's a game. You just have to be patient, wait for the moves, and then make your move, and then we're all happy. If you need some help, especially if you're a beginner, join my team, and then I will share all my entries with you, so you can learn from that. And over time, you will become an independent trader who can make this money on his own. This is the key, guys, and this is my goal for you. I want to make you guys eat. I don't want to feed you with my stuff. I want to help you to become traders, you know? Understand how I'm thinking when I trade, guys. And then just find your way, find your own trading way, find your own trading style, find your own patterns and stuff, like, and money management system that you like, that fits to your personality way, how you feel comfortable. And then this thing can go like no limits, guys. All right? No limits. All right. I wish you a great start in the week. And let's see what happens in gold, DAX, and Dow. This is the three markets that I'm really chasing right now. I don't want to have too much shit on my chart. I really want to focus on on these three pairs where I know there's a lot of movement because of all this bad news and stuff like that. And yeah, let's make some money, guys. I wish you a great time. Peace out.